Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Instagram account. Kindly remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful. Let's get started without wasting much time. Click on the Instagram app. Now, you'll want to click on this human symbol here at the far right. Click on it. Then click on the three bars here at the top. Now locate settings. After locating settings, scroll down until you see this place for account. Click on it. Now you will see the button for delete your account. Click on it. Okay. Now you want to provide a reason why you're deleting your account. Okay, let me say I spend too much time on Facebook. I think this is very ridiculous because why are you asking people why they want to delete your account? Okay. All in all, let's give them a reason. Okay, let me say too busy or too distracting. Okay. Now I'll need to enter my password and confirm deletion of my account. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.